Hey everyone, welcome back to Cryptomania, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency news. I'm Harry, here to keep you informed on everything that's happening in the crypto world, especially focusing on XRP, the digital currency making waves in the market. Today, we've got a major update that could signal a turning point for Ripple and XRP. So, sit tight and let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the latest developments regarding the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's stance on XRP. According to sources close to the matter, the SEC might be reconsidering its long-standing view of XRP as a security. There's increasing chatter that the SEC could classify XRP as a commodity instead. This potential shift comes as Ripple and the SEC engage in final settlement negotiations after years of legal battles. Insiders say the SEC is evaluating XRP's utility and comparing it with Ethereum, which has already been deemed a commodity. If this change happens, it would not only be a huge win for Ripple and XRP, but also bring regulatory clarity that has long eluded the crypto market. Now, why does this matter? If XRP gets classified as a commodity, like Ethereum, it positions XRP for broader institutional adoption and adds legitimacy to its utility for cross-border payments. It could even expedite projects like XRP-based ETFs, which are already gaining traction. Just imagine a regulated investment vehicle for XRP, paving the way for major inflows from hedge funds and wealth managers. This could be a game changer, folks. Speaking of ETFs, Ripple's recent legal victory, the dropping of the SEC's appeal, has ignited new speculations about XRP ETFs hitting the market by the end of 2025. Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, has expressed confidence that regulatory green lights would pave the way for ETFs backed by XRP. Analysts project these ETFs could attract billions in investment capital, bolstering XRP's liquidity and market value. More exciting news, President Trump has included XRP in the U.S. Strategic Digital Asset Stockpile. That's right, XRP now has an official endorsement as part of the National Digital Reserve, alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum. This move reflects growing government recognition of XRP's utility, particularly in global remittance and payment systems. It's a massive vote of confidence in XRP's long-term potential. But that's not all. Ripple is making waves with its latest $125 billion acquisition of Hidden Road, a top-tier digital asset prime broker. This deal underscores Ripple's ambition to dominate the institutional crypto finance space. The acquisition enhances Ripple's infrastructure for stablecoin liquidity, cross-border settlements, and institutional custody, placing it in a league with traditional giants like Goldman Sachs. With Ripple's plans to integrate this new infrastructure globally, XRP could solidify its role as a cornerstone in payment systems. While things are looking bullish on the regulatory and institutional fronts, let's talk about XRP's current market performance. As of today, XRP is trading at around $1.82, recovering from its recent low of $1.64 earlier this week. This market movement aligns with macroeconomic concerns, particularly the impact of recent tariffs imposed by President Trump. Global markets, including cryptocurrencies, have felt the strain, but XRP appears to be holding its ground better than many had anticipated. Market watchers are optimistic that the tariff issue is temporary and expect a rebound as conditions stabilize. Looking further ahead, predictions for XRP are incredibly optimistic. Standard Chartered recently forecasted that XRP could hit $5.50 by the end of this year, with growth potentially extending to $12.50 by 2028. These projections are fueled not only by regulatory developments, but also by XRP's growing adoption for cross-border payments and decentralized financial applications. And let's not forget the technical side of XRP's performance. Market analysts suggest that XRP could be gearing up for a significant breakout if it can stabilize above key support levels. Some experts predict XRP could climb to as high as $8.13 in the month of April alone, provided certain resistance levels are cleared. To wrap things up, it's clear that XRP is at a critical juncture. The resolution of Ripple's legal battles, coupled with regulatory clarity and institutional interest, is shaping a bright future for this cryptocurrency. While short-term price fluctuations are to be expected, the long-term prospects look incredibly promising. What do you think? Will XRP hit those ambitious price targets, or will macroeconomic challenges hold it back? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this update and want to stay ahead of the curve in the crypto world, don't forget to hit that like button and smash the subscribe button. Share this video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts and turn on those notifications so you never miss another update from Cryptomania. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one. Stay safe and keep hodling.